Hello and welcome to this ETE tutor video that's for GCSE English Language Edexcel students. It's paper 2 section A, the reading. In this first video what we're going to do is just focus on question 1. You've got the text here on the right hand side and we're going to see if you can gain 2 marks. You can actually have a go at this. You've got the text down in the description box below. Right, so question 1. From lines 6 to 8, give 2 examples that show how children are making clothing for Western consumers. So there on the exam paper you'll get some space and all you've got to do is find 2 quotations and copy them over here. But to make sure that those quotations address the question focus, so this time it's how children are making clothing for Western consumers. And we're looking to get that information from lines 6 to 10. So if we have a look over here, I can tell you that the line 6 to 10 is this section here, this whole paragraph. So what I'd suggest you do is just read through from the beginning down to here. Obviously in the exam you're going to be doing this slightly differently, but for the purposes of what we're doing now, just read from here to here, pause if you need to, and just have a think if you can find 2 pieces of evidence here that show children are making clothing for Western consumers. Right, so there's a few bits that you can pick, but what I'm going to do now is just give you 2 straightforward, easy examples that would mean that you gain those precious 2 marks. So let's grab the highlighter. So first thing that we might have thought of is this line here, this sentence here, sorry. See the children stitching the fine embroidery and beading. Okay, so that one there definitely shows us that children are making clothing. And our second one, we've got this end part here. Recognise some of that handiwork. You should. You could go for that section as well because that shows that children were making the work and that it was being bought by Western consumers. We're assuming that this article was written for these Western consumers. You can see that it's an article by this lady here. So hopefully you could see that those 2 bits combined would answer your question there, and that's been quite useful. I know there's not many of these practice questions, which is why I'm doing this last minute before the exams that are coming up next week, if you're watching in 2017 that is. Alright then, I hope that's helped, and please come back and check out the video for question number 2. As always, like and subscribe.